What's the deal, family? Welcome back to the Realest channel on YouTube. It's your boy Sean, and we here with another banger for y'all, man. So look, we got one championship. We got the loudest knockouts you'll ever hear. Zero commentary. We just got pure carnage, pure knockouts, pure destruction. That's all we got today, man. We gonna run this one up right here, man. If you guys got more videos you want me to react to, get at me in the comments. Get at me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever, all that good stuff. I got, hold on real quick. Hold on real quick. Just so you guys know. Cool. I got a bunch of like one championship reactions. So go make sure to go check that out. Just type in my channel name, one championship. You'll find all types of videos for days, man. UFC, one, whatever it is, bare knuckle, all that. So go check that out. But let's get into this video right here, man. Ooh! Man! Fair touch.
That's it.
Bro said, whoa! Clean left hand. Ooh. He hit him with that cement block. Gave him a two-piece. Oh,
shit. Beautiful.
Man.
Beautiful.
He turned bruh into a noodle. He turned him into a noodle, dog. That left hand was crazy. Stopping power, bro. Sandbag.
3, 4, 5, 6.
He was hitting him with sandbags.
8. Walk to me. You want to continue? Let's go.
No, he don't. Yeah, no, he don't. He don't want to continue.
That's it.
He almost had him screaming, bro. Ooh.
Up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bro, it's a wrap. Ooh. Bro hit him so hard. Bro head went this way. His mouthpiece went this way. His body went this way. Just damn. Look at that mouthpiece all the way over there. His head went this way. He hit bro so hard that his head literally rubber band snapped this way and snapped back that way through his mouthpiece that way. Like, bruh, how you hit bruh so hard that his neck rebounds so hard that his mouthpiece goes flying in the opposite direction you hit him? That's crazy. That's crazy to me, bro. That's crazy to me, bro. That's crazy to me, bro. Bro, his body went straight down like a fucking demolition, bro. Man! Oh my god. Oh my god. Bruh is folded pretzel. Oh my gosh, bro, is literally suitcased, bro. This, bro, wow. Wow. Shit.
Back.
Is that Taiwan Chai? Oh, yeah, it is. That's a wrap.
You want to continue?
Bait.
No, please.
He got no legs, bro. Ooh. Took that air out them lungs. Taiwan Chai. Snap, crackle, pop! God damn! Shit. Yeah, that motherfucker done seen a ghost. What the fuck was that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That won't hurt.
Down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Damn, a lot of dudes getting hit right there, man. Bro, that right side right below the ribs, I don't think that's the I don't think that's your liver, right? Isn't your liver on your left side, or am I tripping? Those must be liver shots, but I thought your liver was on your left side. Maybe it's on your right side? I can't really remember right now. But either way, bro, I done seen half the bodies that got dropped from whatever that little side shot is, if it's a liver shot, if not the opposite side. But either way, they dropping from that shit, man. It's no joke.
We just need one time.
There we go. Elbow. Cross. Let's go.
Stop.
Damn.
Down.
Same shit. Me.
Down. Neutral. 4,
Those gotta be liver
5,
shots.
6,
Same spot every time.
7, 8. Look at me. That's it. Right. That's it. You gotta stay right up by the leg. Down. Back. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk to me. Look at me. You want to continue? Look at.
Hell no, you don't.
No.
You don't even know where he at. Big boy's throwing.
Down. Step back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk to me. You want to continue? Walk to me. Let's go.
Oh, it's a wrap.
Stop. That's it. It's okay.
Wow. The loudest knockout show ever here. One championship, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want me to react to more videos, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Remember to keep it real. Rules rare and real always reaches everyone. See y'all next time. Peace.